Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope that you all will be in the best state of health and iman. We are going to have our first lecture of computer for grade 2. So students, open your computer book with me. Firstly, we are going to start our unit first, and its title is What is Computer? After reading this unit, the students will be able to define computer, define hardware, define data and information, and define input and output devices. Firstly, we will have a look on computer's definition. So students, do you know about computer? What is computer? A computer is an electronic machine which changes data input into useful information output, and it is also called an electronic machine. Now this is the picture of computer, which converts input into output, means it converts data into useful information. Now here is the activity. Circle the machines which use electricity to work. The first picture is stapler. Does a stapler work on electricity? No. Now the second picture is about drill gun, and it works on electricity. So here I am going to circle it like this and this. Now the next picture is about electric fan, and it also runs on electricity, so I will circle it also like this. Now the fourth picture is hammer. It doesn't work on electricity. Fifth picture is cycle, and it doesn't work on electricity also. And the last picture is chair, which is a non-living thing and it doesn't use electricity. Now we will read data in detail. So students, do you know what is data? Data is a collection of raw facts and figures given to the computer for processing is known as data. Means इसका कोई मीनिंग्स नहीं होते, ये मीनिंगलेस होते हैं, और ये कंप्यूटर में प्रोसेसिंग के लिए हम इसे आगे परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं. डेटा कैन बी वर्ड लाइक अरशद, अयान, अरीदा, etc. डेटा किसी का नाम भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे नाम थे अरशद, अयान, अरीदा. नाउ राइट योर फ्रेंड्स नेम हेयर. आपका जो भी फ्रेंड है उसका नेम आप यहाँ पे इस ब्लैंक में लिख दें. डेटा में भी नंबर्स और सिम्बल्स लाइक 1 2 3 5 7 7 8 6 और $, etc. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ नंबर्स दिए गए थे और कुछ सिम्बल्स, ये बताने के लिए कि डेटा नंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं, सिम्बल्स भी हो सकते हैं, या किसी का नाम भी हो सकते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज राइट योर फादर्स सेल नंबर हेयर. Students, if you know about your father's cell number, then you can write here. Data may be picture. Now here is the picture of a cat, of a plane. अब यहाँ पे ये बताया गया है कि डेटा किसी पिक्चर के बारे में भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक केट की पिक्चर दी गई है और एक प्लेन की पिक्चर दी गई है. तो डेटा नंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं, सिम्बल्स भी हो सकते हैं, किसी का नाम भी हो सकते हैं, या फिर पिक्चर्स भी हो सकते हैं. Next one is draw or paste your picture here. If you have any passport size picture of you at your home, then you can paste your picture here. As we read about data, that data can be word, data can be number, data can be symbol, or data can be picture. Now here is the activity regarding to data. Look at each piece of data. Tell if it is word, number, or picture. Now the first picture is about APPLE, apple. So this is a word, so we will mention word here. Next picture is about bicycle, so it is also a picture, so we will mention picture here. Next one is 265894. These are numbers, so we will write number here. Next one is 10011. These are also numbers, so we will mention number here. Next one is the picture of a butterfly. It's a picture, so we will write picture here. Next one is, this is a picture of a TV, so we will write picture here. Next one is, this is the picture of a car, so we will write this is the picture of a car, so we will write picture here, and at last this is the word THURSDAY, Thursday, so we will write word here. Now we will read about information. Data after processing is called information. Basically information is a meaningful data. People can understand it easily. जैसा कि हमने पढ़ा था कि डेटा जो होता है उसके कोई मीनिंग नहीं होते, लेकिन जब वो प्रोसेसिंग हो जाता है तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, और इन्फॉर्मेशन में कन्वर्ट होने के बाद वो एक मीनिंगफुल डेटा बन जाता है. नाउ हियर इज द सैंपल ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. दिस इज अ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ अचीवमेंट. वी कैन गेट द मीनिंग दैट हियर इज अ पर्सन Arshad Mahmood Shah who is getting the certificate of achievement. Second example is about a student. His roll number is roll number 1, name Ayan Shah, class 2nd, school XYZ, address 20B2, Johar Town, Lahore. Now what will we get the meaning about this picture? We know that this is the personal information of a student, so it is called information because it is providing meaning. Now we will read about computer hardware. The physical parts of a computer which can see and touch are called hardware. They include keyboard, mouse, system unit, monitor, printer and speakers. All those parts of a computer which we can physically touch or see are known as computer hardware. Like this one is LCD. This one is system unit, this one is scanner, this one is mouse, this is keyboard and these are speakers. All these parts of computer are known as computer hardware. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर के बारे में क्या पता चला कि कंप्यूटर का हर वो हिस्सा जिसे हम देख भी सकते हैं और छू सकते हैं वो कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर कहलाते हैं. Now here is the activity about computer hardware. Take the things in the following pictures that are hardware of computer system. जैसा कि अभी हमने पढ़ा कि कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर के कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं. So students, can you differentiate computer hardware's parts? Number 1 is LCD. Yes, this one is computer hardware part, so we will take it. This is a car and it is not a part of a computer hardware, so we are not going to take it. This one is a table and it is not the part of a computer hardware, so we will not take it also. Now this one is printer and it is a part of computer hardware, so we will take it like this. Now this is keyboard and it is also the part of computer hardware, so we will take it like this. And at last this is the picture of a mouse and which is also the part of a computer hardware, so we are going to take it like this. Now we will read about input devices. So students, can you differentiate input devices? Firstly, we will define it. Devices through which data is entered into the computer are called input devices. The most common input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner and joystick. Here are also the pictures of these parts. This is keyboard, this is mouse, this is scanner and this is joystick. और ये सब वो parts होते हैं जिनसे हम कंप्यूटर में कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन या कोई भी डेटा हम उसमें एंटर कर रहे होते हैं. Now we will read about output devices. Devices through which we get output useful information from the computer are called output devices. The most common output devices are monitor, printer, speakers. Now this one is monitor, this is printer and these are speakers. अब आउटपुट डिवाइसेस क्या होती हैं? आउटपुट डिवाइसेस वो होती हैं कि जब हम इनपुट डिवाइसेस का काम जहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है वहाँ से आउटपुट डिवाइसेस का काम स्टार्ट होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हमने कोई भी डेटा परफॉर्म करने के लिए कंप्यूटर को दिया है तो हम उसे मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, या हम उसकी पिक्चर ले सकते हैं प्रिंटर से, या हम उसका ऑडियो सुन सकते हैं स्पीकर से. इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट कंप्यूटर्स वर्किंग टुडे. We will perform it exercise in next lecture inshallah. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़, फ़ी अमान अल्लाह.